Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today we'll learn how to use the find and replace feature to quickly update and modify data in large datasets. This tool is a time saver when making back changes in spreadsheets. So let's get to it. Imagine you have stock or inventory sheet where product codes have changed and you need to update them in multiple rows. Instead of manually editing each cell, we can use find and replace to do it instantly. Let's see how find and replace works in Excel. And I would like to select the column or range where you want to make changes. And I'd like this product code to be changed. Then I'm going to open then a find and replace window from home tab. So I'm going to open the home tab and then I'm going to click the editing and then the find and select. Either you open the find and replace. If you open the file, it will show you this file window. And if you open the replace, it will show you this replace window. So you can also open this by clicking the control plus H in your keyboard and the same window that will display in your desktop. So now let's apply this to the data set. We need to update two product codes in our stock or inventory sheet. So first, I'm going to find the TOY 101 in the data code or in the product code rather. So I'm going to find next. Okay. Find next. Okay. It's, as you can see, it's highlighted in white. Find next. Find next. Find next. Find next. Find next again. Okay. So this is just the, the find window that we are working on. So you can also find all. Okay, find all. In the find all, it will open a window below the find and replace window. So I'm gonna make it large enough for us to be able to see it. So you got different cell or range, okay, in the spreadsheets, but it's only showing the value that we're trying to find all. Okay, let's say we're gonna find the GMC 102. So again, find next. Okay, I'm gonna highlight this so we can see more clearly. Find next. Okay, it's finding one by one all the records containing the product code GMC 102. But if you're gonna find all, it's again showing here in this window below the GMC 102. Okay, let's find once again we find another code. I'm gonna find the FOR, okay, 106 product code. Okay, find next. Okay, it's highlighted in white, so easy for us to clear to see. FOR 106, and then find all. Show you again below the find and replace window of dialog box the FOR 106. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna find the match case. Okay, match case. I'm gonna find next. Okay, we couldn't find what you were looking for. Click options for more ways to search. Okay, what is the problem? Because we said here the match case. So what we have here are all in the product code are all in uppercase. Okay, so I am making it match. Okay, rather the uppercase or lowercase sensitive. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again match entire content. Okay, I'm gonna find the HON 103 Okay, I'm gonna find next. Okay, again, we're having problems. What I'm gonna do is I'm making this HON in uppercase, HON in uppercase. All right, it's all in uppercase because I have clicked the match case and match entire cell contents. So if I'm gonna find next, okay, I'm gonna highlight this so for us to be able to see it. Find next. Okay, it's in stock ID 103. Find next, find next, find next. So it's finding one by one. But if I'm going to find all, again, it will show you below the window under the find and replace window, the HON 103. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are nine of this HON 103 in this inventory list. Okay, if I'm gonna find ISU 107, okay, find all. Okay, it's show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 9 total of ISU 107. So, but if you're gonna find the you know, the alphanumeric product code in lowercase MIT 105, then you don't have problems because we did not click the match case and match entire cell contents. So find next. Okay, I'm gonna highlight this. Find next. We're still able to find them all. Then I'm gonna find all. Okay, I'm able to find all here MIT 105. All right. So let's go to replace. Now, before it was only find, we're gonna find the, okay, we're finding within the sheet. That's what we're doing, and we're finding the rows. Okay, we're finding the rows. Okay, and formula, there is no formula, and we're just finding the values. So no problem, we can skip that. Okay, then let's go to replace. Okay, now we're gonna find, and we're gonna make it match case and match entire content, and then we're gonna use the uppercase. Then let's find the Toyota, or rather TOY 101, and then we're gonna replace it with GMC 102. Right? So we're gonna find, okay, I'm gonna highlight this. Find all. I'm gonna find all. It's all here. So let's say we're gonna replace. Okay, one is being replaced here. One is being replaced. If I'm, if you see in the window below, it's also changing the GMC 102 because I've already replaced 3 items. So the remaining are I'm gonna replace. But if I want to replace them all right away, replace all. So it's now all done. We made 5 replacements. Okay. So then let's say for example, I'm gonna use rather I'm gonna find NIS 104. Okay. And then I'm gonna replace them with let's see, um give me some other, okay. I'm gonna find the CAT 336. Okay. Then I'm gonna find all. So already, how many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna replace one. Okay, replace already one here, another one. But I decided I'm gonna replace them all. Then I just replace all. See, simple as that. So all done. We made 4 replacements. Okay. So all right. So what I'm gonna do is, uh, okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna uh, find my instruction here. Okay. So this is the instruction that I got here for the best practice of using the find and replace dialog box here or the window. All right. So best practice number one, use find next before replacing to check each change manually. Okay. So we have to use the find next. That would be the best. Okay. All right. Right. Because we replace the NIS with CT, we cannot find anymore, right? If we're going to interchange them, it's a this would be NIS. Let me see the number. NIS. I could not find them anymore. No problem. I forgot the number. So this just find the. Mm, all right. I'm gonna find the TOY 108. TOI 108. 108. Then I'm gonna replace them with the, let's say for example, DDA 110, DDA 1110. All right. So our best practice is use number one, use find next before replacing to check its change manually. So this is what is the recommendation. Okay. Find next. Okay. TOY 108. That's what we're finding here. Okay. So let me see the number two best practice. Check match entire cell contents if replacing exact values. So you want to replace with exact values because let's say, for example, we got a very large spreadsheet or data sets. Then we get to, you got to click the match entire cell contents. So that would be best practice number two. So okay, if you are having problems, you just undo it by, uh, you know, clicking Control Z in your keyboard. If something goes wrong, then number four, create a backup copy before bulk replacement. Before you play with this window, find and replace window, you have to, you have to back up a copy so that you don't have problems in case something goes wrong. Okay. All right. I'm gonna close this one now. Okay. So, and that's it for today. You now know how to use find and replace effectively in Excel. This tool is incredibly useful for quickly updating data without manual editing. So try it out in your own spreadsheets. Thank you for watching and see you next time.